the secret chair workout every man over 50 needs. You don't need a gym or heavy weights. All you need is a chair. That simple piece of furniture in your living room can become your secret weapon to reclaim strength, stability, and confidence after 50. Fitness isn't about doing crazy moves. It's about moving smart, safely, and consistently. Today, I'll show you how just 10 minutes a day can help you burn belly fat, boost mobility, and rebuild your energy, all from the comfort of your chair. So grab a sturdy seat, sit tall, and let's move. Before we start, remember this. Your age doesn't define your strength. Your mindset does. You might be thinking, can a chair workout really help me lose belly fat or get stronger? Absolutely. Chair workouts are simple but powerful. They build core, leg, and arm strength while protecting your joints. Perfect if you're new to exercise, returning after a break, or just want a safe, low-impact routine. Each small move sends a message to your body. Wake up, rebuild, and move forward. Even if you've been inactive for months, today is your chance to start again. One small step, one chair, one workout at a time. Why it matters. As we age, metabolism slows, muscles shrink, and fat settles around the belly, but movement reverses that. Even gentle chair-based exercises can improve blood circulation and heart health, strengthen your core and legs for better posture and balance, boost flexibility so everyday movements feel easier. Consistent chair workouts reactivate dormant muscles that keep you stable and strong. This isn't just about exercise, it's about taking back control of your body and energy. Because you can't stop time, but you can slow down its effects by choosing to move. Exercise 1. Seated marches. Wake up your core. Sit tall at the edge of your chair, chest open, shoulders relaxed. Lift one knee, then the other, like you're marching in place. Keep your abs tight and spine straight. You'll feel your lower abs working and your heart rate rising. This movement builds momentum, sending blood to your muscles and preparing your body to burn fat. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Exercise 2. Seated punches. Burn belly, fat stay. Seated, feet flat, core tight. Make 2 fists and start punching forward. Right, left, right, left. Twist your torso slightly with each punch to activate your obliques and tighten your waist. Imagine you're punching away stress and stiffness. Every rep says you're in control. Do this for 45 seconds. You'll feel your arms, shoulders, and abs all firing together. Comment, stronger every punch, if you're with me. Exercise 3. Seated leg lifts. Core and lower body. Sit tall, hands at your sides. Lift one leg off the floor, hold for 2 seconds and lower it down. Switch legs. Want a challenge? Lift both legs together and hold for 3 seconds. That's a mini seated crunch. Feel your lower abs working where belly fat likes to collect. Breathe and move with control. 3 rounds of 45 seconds each. By round 2, your core will be on fire. Exercise 4. Seated side twists. Melt the middle. Hold your hands together in front of your chest and twist slowly side to side. Move your torso, not just your arms. Engage your abs and exhale with each twist. Think of wringing out stiffness and tension from your midsection. The slower you go, the deeper your core works. Go for 1 minute. Comment, twisting strong, if you're not giving up now. Exercise 5. Seated, knee to elbow crunch. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your right knee and bring your left elbow to meet it, then switch sides. Don't pull your neck, move naturally. This works your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once. Controlled crunches from a chair. No floor, no pain, just results. 45 seconds on, progress happens in small, consistent moments. Keep breathing, keep pushing. Cool down, rebuild, and recover. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You did it, a full-body workout, all from your chair. Sit tall, roll your shoulders back, and feel the tension ease. Let your arms hang loose, then raise them overhead, stretching long through your fingertips. Imagine your spine lengthening as you breathe deeply. This isn't just recovery, it's rebuilding balance. You're strengthening your body and your trust in yourself. Every breath teaches your heart, lungs, and mind that you're still strong and capable. Exercise isn't punishment, it's celebration. Every stretch, every rep, every breath is a small act of self-respect. Stack enough of those moments and you create transformation, not overnight, but consistently and faithfully. So as you breathe and relax, remind yourself, you're not too old, you're not too late, you're right on time. Smile, you showed up for you. No gym, no fancy equipment, just your will to move. Comment, showed up strong, below, if you finished this workout. Because today, you didn't just move your body, you proved your strength, discipline, and heart. That's how transformation begins. If this felt good, imagine what 20 minutes could do. Remember, age doesn't define your strength. Effort does. Stay connected. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and join our community of men over 50 reclaiming their mobility and independence every day. Celebrate small wins, share your progress, and inspire others on the same journey. Stay strong, stay grounded. Your best days are still ahead, one step at a time. Comment below your favorite exercise and let's celebrate every small victory together, because every step forward is a step toward a stronger, more confident you.